Welcome to Kitchen's Creations. On today's menu, we're going to travel to South Korea and do one of my all-time favorite dishes, bulgogi. Let's get with it. Okay, so here you want to mince up your garlic really fine to really small pieces. Cut your green onions in small pieces and try not to miss any like I did. Cut the skin off the ginger root and mince into small pieces. For the marinade, you need a 1/4 cup brown sugar, a 1/4 cup vegetable oil, a 1/2 cup soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And here you're going to add all the vegetables to the marinade. And give it a good stir. Slice the meat as thin as you can, the thinner the better, and about 1.5 inches in length. Add the meat to the marinade. Mix it in real good. No need to add oil to the wok. The marinade has plenty. Keep cooking until the meat is brown and cooked thoroughly. You don't want to overdo this process because a little will go a long ways. It'll thicken it up real quick, and if you add too much, it's too late. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let's give this a try here. Doing a little roast. Very good. Only thing is missing is kimchi. I'll have to make that next time. Gotta give this a try. It's you can griddle it. I usually do, but it got so late. We just did the wok. I cook it that way all the time. It's good either way. But till next time, God bless. Rock on.
Mmm, tastes so good.
Welcome to Kitchen's Creations. On today's menu, we're going to take a trip to South Korea and make one of my favorite I had it right there. Welcome to Kitchen's Creations. On today's menu, we're going to travel to South Korea and let our taste buds taste what I don't know. Now I'm messing. Welcome to Kitchen's Creations. On today's menu, we're going to travel to South Korea and make my See, I was doing fine there. Okay. Welcome to Kitchen's Creations. On today's menu, really, dog, really, you have to mount.